Kitchen. I'm your host, Jen Gailey, and today we are headed to Disneyland. One of our favorite snacks are corn dogs. So it's hot, it's the summertime, so let's make a Disneyland version of it. So in here, I have all of my dry ingredients. So I have my flour, my cornmeal, my salt, my sugar, and my baking powder. And all I did was give that a stir. I have 1 cup of milk. I had to write everything down because, you know, I can't remember anything. All right. So then I also have 1 egg. Put that off to the side. And we're going to give that a little whisk together. All right. So now, all right, perfect. We're going to go ahead and pour this in. Then I also have 2 tablespoons of shortening melted. So we'll go ahead and put that in, and we're going to go ahead and give that a mix. All right. Already smelling so good. Now you can make mini versions of this if you wanted to. You can make big versions like I'm doing. You can do miniature. So I have a tall glass, and I am going to fill it halfway with the batter. Okay? Then I'm going to take my hot dog and I'm going to skewer it. All right. You ready? Then I am going to dip, and I'm going to pour in more batter. Now my hot dogs are a little bit big, so I will need a little spoon to help me to coat the top of my hot dogs. All right, so now what then I'm going to do is just turn excess, and then I'm going to plop it into my fryer. All right, so actually now that I'm doing this, my sticks are a little too long, so I'm going to cut my sticks off a little bit. Whoops, that one went flying a little bit. We'll grab another one. All right. Now let's get another one going. Dip it in. Coat it. A little bit of the excess off, right? And place it into my fryer. I'm going to keep turning. All right, we're going to do one more. Remember, you're at home. Nothing needs to be perfect when you're at home, right? Because I make messes. Alright. So we're just going to go ahead and let those fry up. It is not going to take long. Well, see, look, I already have one. Now this one's a little wonky, but it's done. Let me turn this one. That one, the batter's falling off. All right, I'm gonna do one more. Bear with me. I gotta grab my other hot dog out. All right, I want to do one more because I want a perfect one. I do want a perfect one. So to make mini ones, you would just take your miniature franks that you would get in the store, coat them, fry them up. Alright. Actually, I'm going to put the stick in a little bit more so I can fully get it submerged into the oil. Perfect. Alrighty, I got another one out. Alrighty. Now, I am making a mess, but that's okay, right? Alright. Look at my corn dog. Isn't that cool? Alright. Alright, let's taste it. Taste test, right? Hot. Nope, not ready yet. It's way too hot. So I'm going to keep checking on these. Turn this one. Oh, it's looking real good. And then here's my other one. Nice, right? Oh, it smells just like the carts. All right, ready? Mmm. That batter is perfect. Crispy, sweet, tender on the inside. A+. Now look at that. I did that so quickly. Not an issue. So, like I said, if you want to do little ones, even cut up your hot dogs and just fry them in there, you can do that too. But who doesn't love a corn dog on a stick, right? All right. Until next time, gotta let me know if you tried this in Disneyland. Until next time, it's Magic in the Kitchen. See you later.